Hey everyone, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. My name is Rich. Today I'm going to show you present mode in Microsoft Forms. So I'm currently in Microsoft Forms. Now, if you've never heard of this tool before, it's essentially Microsoft's version of Google Forms. And when it first came out, it wasn't very good, but Microsoft over the years have added a lot of nice features, and this is now a very powerful, very helpful tool that I think you'll be able to use. And what I want to show you now is one of those new features, and that's the ability to display the results of your form in real time. Maybe you're giving a presentation or you're teaching a class and you want that instant feedback. You can do this really easy with present mode, and I'll show you how to do that in 1 second. Before I do, I want to show you some of the basics with how form works. Like I said, if you're familiar with Google Forms, it's very simple. You just create your form by adding questions. There's a plus button here. The answers are there. Pretty self-explanatory how that works. I'm sure you've used or created a Google form. In order to collect the responses, you click on this button and you have some different options in terms of how you want to share this. So once you share this with your respondents, they respond. You find your answers all the way to the left in the responses tab. Here is where we can see those results. There's also a brand new way for you to open this in an Excel online spreadsheet. So this is kind of good. Now you can show your class this tab if you're signed into your window and you send out the survey and the results come in. These will change, but it's not as visual as you might like. So the good news is now Microsoft has present mode, where I can go in and I can review the results of each individual question. So let's say I start out with a survey at the beginning of class or at the beginning of my presentation. I give each group about a couple minutes to fill the survey out, and now I want to go over those answers. If I go all the way over to the top right hand side, I can select present, and now you'll see the answers will now appear on the screen. Now what I like about this is it will display the QR code to the left hand side in case there's members of the audience that want to go and take this. And in fact, let me go ahead and scan that. You can't see this, but I just scanned this on my phone. Now I'm going to complete this, and in a second you should see those numbers change. So I just filled out the first answer. I said neither satisfied nor dissatisfied, and now you can see my response. So what's really nice about this is that the answers will populate in real time as soon as they come in. Now to advance to the next question, we can just select the next button. You can see this is question 2 of 4. Now, depending on the type of question you ask, you have the ability to do this. This says a tree map, which is kind of just those blocks that are displayed. There's also another option at the bottom where it says bar, and now it will display this as a bar graph, which is something kind of interesting. You'll see at the top, it will also show you 5 responses submitted. Okay, again, here's a different type of question, and it's displayed a little bit differently. I hope that this is not something that I ever see if I do this inside a class. A 1.6 out of 10. Not looking so good. Maybe I don't want to use presenter mode for this question. Obviously, this is just random data that's in here. And then you can see this in here. So again, a great feature that's available in Microsoft Forms, especially if you're just looking for a way to share data. You don't have to sign up for some of the other tools that are available, like a Mentimeter. You can use a Microsoft form, which will not only take that information and allow you to upload it, or allow you to send that to an Excel online file. It's inside your district's or your school's domain, but also something that's completely free. And that's the other thing. As long as you have a Microsoft account, you can access Forms at forms.office.com. You just sign in with your Microsoft credentials, and you have the ability to share the results of your survey in presenter mode using Microsoft Forms. So thank you so much for watching this video. You know what to do. If you have questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this content, let me know. Hit the like button or go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much and have a great day.